changing tires. Alright, so 2017 has been an awesome year. When my dad passed away December of 2016, I needed to find a way to get myself preoccupied when I'm not with my kids, my family. So, talks this and that, basically stock came to be. And just a quick review or a look back at what we had, from changing tires to making ghetto tubeless tires or wheels, to hacks, making tools out of old parts that have been unusable anymore, and of course your regular maintenance videos. And one of the highlights of 2016 was the travel to Pililla, Rizal. What an awesome day. And other than that, of course, we had regular tips, how-tos, and another highlight of 2016 was when we traveled to our hometown, or to my hometown in Solano, and rode bikes from the tip of Nueva Ecija to our hometown in Solano. Visited my dad's grave because it was his birthday. So yeah, that's our 2017.
Hello and welcome to Biciclista. This is changing. Hello and welcome to Biciclista, changing tires, version 2.
Alright, to start off, in changing your tire, of course, you have to remove your wheels. And it's your choice if you want to remove the front wheel first or the rear wheel first. In our case, the front wheel. And as you can see, we had to remove the skewers because of the state of our wheels. It's pretty busted, but you don't really have to do it. Alright? So unfortunately, nasira yung video natin from last night. So, ended up making another video. So, after removing the tire, here's the tire. We'll try to remove it again. Press the valve, unscrew, and let the air out. Alright, before letting all the air out, remove this screw. Oh! So, if you buy tire levers, it will come in pairs, like this, 3. And what this actually does is you use this to pry the bead out of the rim, and then this part to hook onto the spokes. Just like once they all the air is out, just massage the side of the tire so that the stock part on the bit of the rim will be loose, of course. Right now, once that is loose, this tire is specifically easy to remove by hand. As you can see, I can just lift it off, put it outside. But for demonstration purposes, we'll be using this. So, how to use this part? There on the bead of the tire. Once that's secure this hook to the spoke. Now, why do you have 3? One more time, pry this thing out, hook. And of course, for the third one, this would be the loosest part. There we go. So you can just go around. Right, so once your tire all around has been loosened or removed from the rim, one side, you remove the valve. You remove this valve to press the valve. So in order for you to expose that, pull the tire all the way back, push the valve out, and pull your index first. Before you put the tire in,
you have to make sure that you have the correct rotation direction. Put one side of the tire inside the rim. Okay, now one side of the tire is inside the rim. Put your inner tubes back in with the hole. Put your valve in, and then very carefully put this side of the tire over the inner tube. Right, well, you have to do it very carefully because you do not want to pinch your inner tube and then have it inflated and then boom. So do it very carefully so you don't have to do it again later. Just like this. Once you've laid the inner tube inside, it's just a matter of pressing your tires, your tire, one side after the other. This may vary from the model of your tire to the manufacturer of your tire. Yeah, one note. If your valve looks like it's not straight to your hub, that means that on either side, on either way, it's being pulled. So it's just a matter of, look at this, it's just a matter of pulling your tire to the right direction until your valve becomes straight. Right? Press the screw back in just enough so that you can put the inflator here. Just enough tightness, not too tight, not too loose. And of course, the valve core, make sure that's closed, and you're done.